driving school on Schenectady Avenue. Driving school on Schenectady Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. We just been with Pierre driving school. We cover these areas as well. We're gonna do a few pointers, left and right, thing that to be on the lookout for when doing your road test. And if you want us to help you on the New York area, please feel free to check our website, pierredriving.com. All right, until then, now let's keep watching. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel too, and you can subscribe so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you want us also to cover a particular area for you, let us know, right? As you're driving, always both hands on the steering wheel. Traffic a little bit heavy here. This is on a Tuesday morning. Yesterday there was no school here. We're going straight across, all right? I'm saying to my side, okay? For the purpose of the road test, student must always be on the right side of the road. As I'm driving here, whenever I got any clearance, I will move over to get to my right side. As student must always be on the right side of the road, all right? Both hands on the steering wheel, pay attention here and keep looking for the opportunity. On my right side, there is a car that's driving right along with me. I'm making sure that I stay on top of that, all right? Because remember, it's one of the criteria they'll fail you, fails to keep right. See, taking advantage here. You have a clearance, okay? Mirror right, shoulder right, bring the car over. You see, I'm coming back over. I signal my attention. I check my mirrors and shoulder. Then I move over. Then keep the traffic flowing. You cannot be driving too slow. That will be impeding the traffic flow. When the speed limit is 25 miles per hour, you have to be above 25, below 30. You're gonna make a stop here where everybody can see everybody. Always stop sign here. We're here and we're keeping it rolling. You see? Keep the traffic flowing, folks. Otherwise, people are gonna start honking or whatever the case may be. You do not want to do that. Same time the road test here. If you're driving too slow, they will fail you the test for impeding the traffic flow. You have to keep the traffic flowing as you're driving, all right? And always check always checking the car on my left. I'm paying attention here in the event that somebody jumping ahead, I can be right on it now. The traffic is tying up here. I'm rolling up with my foot covering the brake. You do not want to block in the backs, okay? Big tractor trailer on my left side, cover the brake here, both foot on the brake, because while you're going through any stupidity, you want it to be on the brake, not on the accelerator. Same thing at the road test here. When we stop, you want it to see the tire of the car in front of you, touching the ground. If you cannot see that, follow it too closely. Also, make sure you leave room for no car to fit in, because they will glide in, they will slip in a second, okay? Driving school in Schenectady, New York, all right? So if you need help here, please let us know. We will definitely help you in that kind of area. Remember, as you drive in, both hands always on the steering wheel, okay? 9 and 3, both hook the extremity, and before you fully accelerate, engage the accelerator, take a quick glance, make sure there is nobody squeezing on either side of your car. The last thing you've always wanted to do is accelerating. You do not want to accelerate until you have full clearance on the direction you're doing. I've seen it in numerous occasions. Those are the things that you do not need. All right, folks? Always making sure that you got a clear go before taking action, and never wanted to drive the block the backs as you're going along, okay? So as the traffic is moving here, the light is blinking, but if I don't have enough room, I'm not gonna go, okay? High my clearance, you see? Yellow light, I'll stop here. Had I gone, then I would have been driving on the red light. For the purpose of the road test, you do not want to do those things. It's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute that you understand that, it changes everything. Remember, the road test is only 10 minutes long. 10 minutes long. You only have 10 minutes to show the examiner what you can do. Otherwise, it will be problem, all right? So what you do, you see, I'm saying here, pay attention. My light turn green here. I'm going to have somebody on my left side gonna try to race me. Oh, it's chill. Okay, good. All right, keeping the traffic moving clear. Now this truck covering up both lanes. We cannot squeeze to the right side. Then we're gonna let here give him clearance. Okay. Some people here will try to get on the right side of the bus here. It's trouble. You do not want those things. Okay. You want it to be as much safe as possible you can be, because in the unlikely event, it will not work in your favor. This Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Like, share, and subscribe. Anybody that you know that can benefit from these videos, share with them. Let me know where you do your road test. If you've already done your road test, where did you do your road test? Or if you have a road test coming, let me know if you have a road test coming. If you have not yet done any lesson, feel free to contact Pierre Driving School. If you're in the Brooklyn area, we'll be more than happy to help you to get your driver license, because your license can enhance your life one way or in another. All right. The car on my left started closing in, and I'm paying attention here again on the car on my right side that try to come up, and the tractor, the bus in front of the truck in front of us, driving 2 lanes. You see where this is going? Okay, this is the thing that you're gonna be encounter when you started driving by yourself. I'm staying in my lane. I'm not worried about the car on my left. I don't know what the driver on my left gonna do, but for me here, covering my brake and continue in my lane. Okay, continue in my lane. You see how this guy driving here started looking all type of crazy. These are the things that I was anticipating. Okay, part of the road test, anticipation of potential hazard, seeing the hazard as they coming along. Okay, and I'm paying straight attention here. This guy in front of us driving real nasty. You see what I'm saying? He's driving 2 lanes. He should not even be in this route. You see how he's taking his left hand? That's what you're gonna be encountering here. Okay? Good. No wonder why he was driving as ugly as he was driving, all right? So these are the things that you and I have to be on the lookout for, especially as a new student. You're gonna have to keep up with those things as well, okay? Keeping up on the speed limit so we can keep flowing the traffic. Otherwise, these people here are gonna start going all type of crazy. Okay, there's a lot of multitasking and keeping up with the traffic flow. Those are our jobs. That's the thing that we need to do as a new driver. See how this guy pop out in? Okay, my foot is right on the brake because I've already seen him coming. I'm gonna change 1 lane to the left here. I'm gonna signal left, mirror left, shoulder left. Why did I change 1 lane to the left? If I had to stay on the right lane, my back would have been hanging out on that red light, of which I don't need, all right? So as you're driving, these are the things that you're going to be encounter, and you've always have to be in a position to forward planning all your moves, to say what's coming ahead, to say how to prepare yourself. One of the road test part that they will fail you for, fail to anticipate potential hazard, because as you're driving, if you're not seeing ahead what's going on, you're going to get yourself stuck and stuff that you're not supposed to, then it's going to be problem, all right? You've always have to always looking ahead, forward planning all your moves, multitasking when you're in the traffic. Before you engage completely with the acceleration, check on your shoulders, see if any car squeezing in, if any bicycle, any pedestrian, because always expected, unexpected. Let me say slow. Always expected, unexpected. Don't give anybody any credit, thinking that he or she knows what to do. You be in shock. It's you to position yourself to compensate for their mistake, okay? Good. Now I'm keeping my left turn. Okay, I already see the light is blinking. I'm not gonna take it because yellow light is not for student. You see I'm slowing it down? Okay, I could have taken the light, but it will not be no good because while you're driving, you're not supposed to be taking yellow light as you're driving. You should have to follow the light. All right. Anything below 10, we kill it. Anything above 10, you kill it. Because anything above 10, you drive normal. Why is that? You never know where a police can be. Ahead with me, what do you guys see? Right ahead of from me, we have here a car that double park on my left side. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna when I'm crossing the light, I'm gonna check my attention, signal my attention. You don't want to signal while you're crossing a light. After crossing the light, that's when you want to signal. And of course, you have to wait for verification. Am I getting verification here? Mirror right, shoulder right. Okay, go over. See it, folks? Going back again here. Good. It's a quick movement. Keeping it going here. Little signal right. All right, this guy moving in here. Coming back to my lane. Okay, keep pushing here, guys. A lot of lane stretch, a lot of multitasking. It's a little bit advanced lesson, okay? It's a little bit advanced lesson, but you can definitely do it. All right? Going straight across here. At the traffic light coming up, I'm making a right turn. I see a car double park to my right, signal to my left, mirror left, shoulder left, go back. Since I see another car double park to my left, I'm keeping up my left side, try to keep going back to your right, so I'm gonna be weaving in and out of traffic. You see? Changing my signal here. Okay, mirror right, shoulder right, I'm coming back to my right side. See? Nice and smooth here, coming back to my right side. And as always, you still have to check again, mirror right, shoulder right, and make your turn, fall right into your lane. All right, folks? Then you're going straight up from here. These are the level they want you to be delivering as you're doing your road test here with the DMV examiner, folks. Because not only that, but it was a little bit advanced. Once you get that skills, you will be delivering with no issue at that capacity, because reason why, as more you drive, the better you get. The more you drive, the better you get. Like, share, and subscribe, and anybody you know that can benefit from this content, please share with them, because each person that get the license, that's a way of better their life one way or another. All right, we're going straight here. We're making a left turn as this traffic light coming up. We signal to the left. Okay. Coming back here, left turn here. How is my light? I'm not gonna force it because my light is yellow. You see, I stop it here, no issue. All right, folks, just been here with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.